Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to use the concatenate function in Excel. The concatenate function combines the content of different cells into one particular cell. Let us dive into an example to find how it works. In this example we have a data sheet that has the list of employees, the job title that they have and their genders. First, let us try to concatenate these two columns, that is the name of the employee followed by their job title. So in order to do that, we have to write the name of the function followed by the first character that we are going to use for this concatenation. So in our example, we are going to choose the A2 cell followed by the next cell, which is B2. If we look closely, we will understand that in the first cell it has the name of the employee, which is Emily Davis. In the next column, her job title is senior manager. So if we use this concatenate function, it will merge these two cells and give us this result, which is Emily Davis, senior manager. But if we look closely, we will understand that there are no separation or spaces or commas in between them. We can do that manually. If we go again in this formula, we can add a space by manually typing a space between double quotes, and here it is. We have a separation between these two names. Again, if we want to have a comma in between them, we can do that as well. We just have to go back to the function, put a comma in between, and then enter. So here we are. So if we drag it down till the very end of the dataset, we will get the names and the job titles of all the employees in a single column. In order to understand this function a little bit more, let us do another concatenate. Along with this, let us join the gender of the employee as well with the existing result. So in order to do that, we are going to use another comma as a separation, then add the next cell, which is C2, and put a enter. So here we can see that we have got the name at first, then a comma, followed by the job title, which is senior manager, followed by the gender of the employee. If we drag the same thing down till the very bottom, we can see that we have got our result. So in this way, we can combine or concatenate the content of a particular cell or a range of cell with another one in a single column. Hope this video helps you in understanding how the concatenate function works in Excel. See you in the next one.